Let me show you a very easy way to convert your MP4 files to MP3 for free online. So log on to this website, freeconvert.com. Now on this website, you can convert one file format to another, right? So when you come here, you have to, you click convert, you see the different conversions. You can convert video to audio, image, PDF documents, and all that. So I'm going to go to, that's under video and audio, go to where I have MP4 to MP3 or just general video to MP3. Now it's going to give you this option to upload your files. So you can upload from your device or from Google Drive or from any other cloud storage, that you have access to. I'm going to go with the device option, right? And I'm going to upload the video I wish to convert. And then you go to where you have this convert button. Just give that a few minutes or seconds. It depends on the size of the file you're converting. So the longer the file, the longer the time it's going to take to convert. Right. So when that is done, you are going to have the option of downloading to your device or to any cloud storage. But I'm just going to go with the download to device option, and the file would be downloaded to your device, your PC, or your mobile phone. So this is pretty much how you can convert any MP4 or any video file to audio for free online. So thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please like this video, share this video, and of course subscribe to my channel for more media tips, tricks, and tutorials. See you in my next video.